everyone that we love is in this room today.
Tess is the dancing queen.
We're in the city of Philadelphia. We're in Center City, to be exact, at the Union League.
The thing I'm most excited for is the dancing and the singing with the bride and groom.
That it feels like she's always been family. The long-lost sister we never had.
He's all that I ever could have wanted for you.
I just knew from that moment on that he was the one.
I literally see how much you two love each other on a random Tuesday, so I can't even imagine how palpable the love is going to be today.
You are, without a doubt, the smartest person I've ever met, though I doubt it took a fraction of that brain power to realize that you and Tess were perfect together.
Raise your glasses for Blake and Tess and join me in congratulating them and wishing them the best in what I know is going to be a wonderful life together.